All right, let's get to it. I'm doing this video because I need my channel to keep on going, so I need the views, y'all. So, peep game. All right, war makes money. Mars is for men and Venus is for women. I'm sure we have heard this plenty of times already. And there's a like Greek mythology story that goes Venus and Mars clashes in the sky and create some type of orgasmic explosion or what have you, and something falls down, and I guess trade and the economy happens. So there's that. But Mars is for men and Venus is for women. Now, women, aka Venus, represents exchange of value, aka money. Therefore, by astrological design, a woman must be accepting, meaning giving consent, of how a man exchanges with them, or their denial of that man suggests there is no value found in that man, right? So when you hear men are only loved for what they can do, it's true. By universal law, we must develop value in order to balance ourselves out and meet the woman counterpart eventually. This is nothing to complain about, men. It's nothing to complain about. It sounds sad to some people. It's just like, oh, but it's nothing to complain about. This is universal law because Mars is for men and Venus is for women. A woman pushed you out, dude, so you owe her that. Whoever she is, whoever she is, right? First it's the mom, and then should your skill develop to the point where you can meet a counterpart for yourself, then so be it. It's nothing to complain about. Now, in most cases, the part that men struggle with is not realizing that once they have developed value, along the way, they should have acknowledged their self worth and should therefore have stipulations and demands to be met by the woman in order to commit to her and her to him. That's why Saturn is exalted in the sign of Libra. Now, why would I squander my skill and value on a woman who is not under my command? Mars equals commands, commander, leader. You could hear all of these types of texts and undertones in the Bible, of course. You go to your text that you study, you'll find this through and through. Now, on this note, women should not complain about this. If I build homes and you don't listen to my commands, you'll be homeless. If I build cars and you don't listen to my commands, you won't drive, etc., 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 etc. Women know they will be alone if they don't do this, or at least they knew. All right? Fair exchange, no robbery. So men must have demands that a woman meets. That is the way to balance and obtain harmony, which is ruled by Venus. Without it, there will be war. As the Mars energy of anger and frustration increases, like our phalluses are shaped like missiles and damage the woman's portal, and it's not until we soften that we are humbled by the woman when she sees how naturally small we are. Real talk, though. Now, let's get to how this makes money, right? That's probably why you're here anyway. So, for starters, we can't accumulate wealth higher than the number nine until we create a population to lord over or build an economy with, if that's too strong a definition for you, right? Or build an economy with. War breaks out when the economy is not exchanging value in harmony because the opposites clash due to disagreements, which is the opposite of exchanging value, which is an agreement ruled by Libra, ruled by Venus. Wherever the most disagreements take place, I'm selling them weapons and offering my skill of diplomacy simultaneously. Since y'all can't seem to get it right, y'all see this all over the geographical landscape in different regions all around the world. And America's not exempt, but that's for another time. So when you see the gender war, the political war, the race war, the sexuality war, the class war, etc., etc., they are designs to make wealth. And with today's technology, you have ample opportunity to get in where you fit in by posting and creatively posting, by the way, your side of the fence. Yes, it causes division. So what? But moreover, it's an expression of how you are already divided by what's in place in the first place, right? If something is occurring in the world and you don't like it, You are already on the other side of the fence of it. So why not capitalize off of it if you're into that type of stuff? But if you're complaining about you don't know where no money is, you can't get no money, you don't have no money, then I mean, come on. I'm giving you the gem here. Get involved. The solution to war, for those of you who are disturbed by what I'm saying, is to circulate your dollar with the intent of gaining a return on your investment. I'm going to say that again. The solution to war, for those of you who are disturbed by what I'm saying, is to circulate your dollar with the intent of gaining a return on your investment. I personally have yet to do a reading that wasn't beneficial, to my client, thank God. And that's what I mean, because I've developed skill over time to be able to meet the requirement of a woman. But if you think or to meet the requirement of obtaining wealth, but if you think you're going to talk to me till I'm blue in the face and not buy anything, we are on the brink of war. It could be social, more along the lines of social. Like, I don't want to fight you because you're not buying stuff from me, but I'm just telling you, don't think you're going to Mercury your way into my life when I'm a man who has developed all of these skill sets. I'm a man who had to develop years of skill to meet a woman's requirement, so treat me as such, or prepare to meet a cold, calculating warrior who has no interest in you. That's the reality of things. So for people who think it's sad that men are only valued for what they do, this is the reality of things on the other end of that stick. You're not just going to be talking to me because you're beautiful. So, to the men of the world who are out celebrating today, no teddy bear, box of chocolates, or roses embody skill. Remember that. If anything, she should be gifting you, because Venus rules over gift giving, not Mars. Women should also be the inheritors of wealth by astrological design, so they can pay men for their demonstrable skills, because Venus rules wealth, not Mars. Ladies, if you're mad by hearing that, good. It's because the patriarch robbed you, either because they hate you, they are homosexual, or they like little boys or whatever. Now, I see a lot of women with a lot of money today upset that they have to spend money to date men who they call brokies or hobosexuals and et cetera, yada, yada. And I'm like this. I'm like, yo, sis, why? Why are you mad? Why are you upset? That doesn't even make sense. But because the power structure has little boyed men for so long, we've become accustomed to thinking men are supposed to bust their ass all their life, give everything to women, and die without getting a return on their investment. And cooking and cleaning is not a return on an investment. That's called hygiene and nutrition. I'm just keeping it a bean. And men, if you are shacked up with a woman who is constantly at your neck, that means you are at war, not in love, and are living with your enemy willingly. And to go to war and not be paid for it is asinine. I hope I fucked up someone's Valentine's Day. You're welcome. Goodbye.